All over the internet, everybody's talking about YouTube automation and how much you can make on YouTube running an automated YouTube channel. Well, I don't know if you have experienced anything like that. I don't know if you've given it a try. I would like to know your experience in the comment section. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you why I feel YouTube automation is a scam or a money pit. And not only that, I'm going to teach you practical steps that you're supposed to take to start making money on YouTube as a YouTube content creator without spending a dime. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, YouTube automation in the entire sense of it is not a scam, but it's a big money pit, especially when you're struggling with your finances or you're looking to make extra income to support your normal income. YouTube automation shouldn't be something that you should be looking at because you're going to be throwing a lot of money away. What most of these gurus don't tell you is that YouTube is actually a lot of work and you need a lot of content. So they wouldn't tell you that you have to make up to maybe 100 videos or 200 videos before you can start making any reasonable amount of money. If you're going to be spending money to create videos, let me show you. You come over to Fiverr and search for YouTube video and you're going to be seeing a lot of prices here. So this is $10, this is $25, this is $55, this is $80. So an average video will cost you anything around $50, right? That's including voiceover and everything, scripting and everything is going to cost you around $50 to $60. And if you're going to be creating, let's be realistic here. One video is not going to cut it for you. 2 videos is not going to cut it for you. 3 videos, I mean, if you can do it with 3 videos, even the person creating the video for you will create the video for himself and upload it on YouTube and use it to make a lot of money. Don't you think so? You're not going to gain any significant traction with just 3 videos or just 4 videos. So you're looking at about 50 videos. That's on the minimum, 50 videos. So if you're going to be spending anywhere around $50 and you're going to be doing like 50 or 60 videos, let's multiply that. So let's just do 50 by 50. You will see that it's $2,500. Now that is how much you're supposed to pay for 50 videos. Now, what is the guarantee that within a space of 2 months or 3 months that you would have been monetized and you start making $2,500 or you start making money enough to cover up your expenses and every other thing that comes with it? Now, if you convert this to the Nigerian currency, for those of you that are in my country, so we'll multiply it by 900, right? And you can see that we have 2,250,000 naira. That is how much it's going to cost you to produce 50 videos on YouTube. That comes with no guarantee that you're going to blow up or your channel is going to monetize and you start making money. You know, the problem is not even with monetization because, I mean, anybody can get monetized, but even when you're monetized, how are you going to be making money off the monetization? Because if your channel is not growing, if you're not getting more viewers, I mean, if you're not getting any traction, your whole monetization will be a waste because at the end of the day, you just end up making like $3 or $5 every month. And would that be enough to cover up the cost of production? I think if you're trying to start up YouTube, maybe as a side hustle, maybe you have a business that you're running and you are looking for something to do, please don't listen to these gurus. YouTube is not that easy. You need a lot of content. And that is why I advise people to do their content themselves. I'm going to share with you how you can do your content and break it down in bits, actionable steps you're supposed to take to get your channel flying in no time. But before I get to that, I want you to understand that YouTube automation will only take money from you. And those guys preaching it, all those people that are preaching it, or let me say most of them, they make money off of you because they'll tell you, oh, we have some guy who have a team and everything. They can even give you a Fiverr account that you can contact. And at the end of the day, everything comes to them. Just look at it. They don't have anything to lose. The entire $2,500 will go to them, right? So whether or not your channel succeeds, it's not your business. Because at the end of the day, they've made $2,500 from you. And I'm just saying $2,500 because this is just the least, because they'll keep encouraging you, go more. We'll have channels that, we had to upload up to 200 videos before it started getting traction and all that. And then you keep spending and you keep spending and you keep spending On top, something that you don't even know that if it's going to blow up or not. It's one thing to create content for a new channel and then you're not even getting any traction, you're not getting views, and then it's another thing to be on a financial strain or stress or stretch, right? Because you keep putting money to create content and then every day you come, you don't see anything. Every day you come, you don't see anything. And these gurus will tell you, it's usually like that, when you start, YouTube needs to learn, all those things. At the end of the day, you'll find out that it's all a money pit because you keep pouring money inside the pit. You keep pouring money inside the pit, and it's as if the pit never gets to full and you're not going to get any result. How many videos can you possibly pay for before you go broke? And once you go broke, everything, all your effort, all the money you have spent will go down the drain. Now, here's what you'll do if you want to run your own YouTube channel. First, you need to identify the niche that you want to talk about, the niche you want to go into. Forget all the RPM and CPM and all that. I'm going to do a dedicated video breaking all those things down. Let me know if you want to see that video in the comment section and I'll make it specially for you. And by the way, if you have not liked this video, please go ahead and hit the like button so that more people can see it and benefit from it. Now, if you're going to be creating content, please take your time. Whether you are a civil servant, whether you have a 9-to-5 job, or whether you're a stay-at-home mom, or whether you are just, at home, you don't have anything you're doing and you want to create your content, please, before you ever think of creating a YouTube channel, I want you to have a draft of the type of content you want to create. From there, you have a draft of the topics you want to create. My friend, the next thing I want you to do is to start creating those contents. This is before you create the YouTube channel. Now you're going to create 45 YouTube videos. Now you find a way to loop some of the videos, if not all. Now, when I talk about looping, I mean, at the end screen, you're going to be talking about a particular topic, you're treating a particular topic in this particular video. And at the end of the video, you now refer them to another video that is related to this video. So I recommend that you watch this video. It's going to teach you how to do this, or whatever it is that you're talking about in your video or whatever niche you are. And people are most likely going to click that video and another video and another video. This is how they binge watch your YouTube channel, and it's going to send the right signal to YouTube to tell them that your channel is keeping people on the platform longer, and they are going to recommend your videos to more people because they've seen that a lot of people enjoy your videos enough to want to watch another one. And for that reason, they're going to show your videos to more people and you're going to get a lot of traction. So by the time you create the 45 videos, I want you to first upload 3 videos in a day. The first day you're going to be uploading, that's after creating your YouTube channel. I've done a tutorial on where I showed how to create a YouTube channel. I'm going to be leaving it in the description. You can go ahead and watch it after watching this video. Now, after creating the YouTube channel, the next thing you're supposed to do is to start uploading those videos. Now, you're going to upload 3 videos in one day, okay? The first day you're going to upload 3 videos, and you're going to upload 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night. Now, these things I'm sharing with you now are some of the things I share with people that are on my one-on-one that I'm coaching on how to run a YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel successfully, and most of them have actually seen a lot of success. So I'm sharing this with confidence that it has worked for a lot of people. It worked for me, it has worked for a lot of my mentees, a lot of my students, and it's also going to work for you if you follow it down to everything that I'm saying in this video. So please do well to watch to the end so that you don't miss out on any information that I'm going to be passing to you. 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night. And then the next day that you want to make a video public, you have to now go back to the videos that you uploaded previously and check the one that got the highest views. Now it could be, the highest view could be 20 views, right? And maybe other ones got 5 views, 10 views, and then one got 20 views, right? Now, the one that got 20 views, you're going to upload at that same time, okay? Maybe you uploaded it around 3 p.m. and it got 20 views. That means your next video, you're going to start uploading 1 video every day at 3 p.m. Now, you just maintain this pattern for the rest of the videos till you exhaust the videos. Then by the end of the month, YouTube is going to give you a data of your channel. You know, that's when you get all the statistics, the full details of your channel, the click-through rates, the audience retention, all the information, all the statistics about your channel is going to pop up. Then you can know the true time your audience are online. But for now, you're going to just choose the one that you gathered from, you know, the performance of the videos. And again, make sure that as you're uploading those videos, don't just go and relax and say, oh, I have 45 videos to go. No, you have to keep creating more videos, keep creating more videos. And maybe after uploading one video every day, that's the first day you're going to upload 3 videos, and then next day you're going to upload 1 video per day till you exhaust the videos that you made, and then you start adding the ones that you're going to, you know, continue making as you're uploading those ones, right? Now, what this does for you is that it breaks that, you know, when you're doing something and then you're not seeing results, we easily get discouraged. I mean, you make this video, you spent your time, make the video and everything, and you're expecting the video to blow up, and you uploaded it and you got 0 views, and then you managed to do another one and you got like 5 views. It can be demoralizing, I have to be honest with you. So that is why most people don't get past 5 videos on YouTube. That's why a lot of people, you know, give up along the way, because they don't see results. They expect instant results, but it's something that happens over time. You don't know, maybe it's your 20th video that is going to, you know, change the whole game for you. You don't even know if it's the 15th video that is going to change the whole game for you. For me, it was my 52nd video that changed the game for me, right? That's when I saw traction on the channel and the channel took off. The real truth is, the more content you have on YouTube, the more money you make, the more faster you grow. You know, everything is all about content. Forget about the views, forget about the subscribers, forget about the watch hours. Just concentrate on the content, right? YouTube is one of the surest places to make money online. I mean, there's no limit to how much you can make on YouTube. A lot of people make $1 million on YouTube. A lot of people make $500,000, $120,000. So you can't really put a cap on how much you can make on YouTube. So don't allow anybody, you know, put you in a corner and let you pay them money to create content for you and everything. And at the end of the day, you will not achieve anything, because at some point you will find out that your money is not enough, and then all those things goes down the drain. Now, here is the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel next. Please go ahead and watch it next and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.